Well, howdy friends. It's been a while. We had a little project going on here. We have a hole for a pipe that fits a much bigger pipe. I think it's 43 feet long. So we're gonna whip up some Quikrete. Got 2 bags just in case. And planning on doing alpha delta in it. That's part of the wire there. I'm sure you know what it looks like. Anyways, had a lot of projects going on, and figured I'd kind of give you a quick rundown of what's going on so far. I've stretched out my alpha delta in a few different ways and trying to get things figured out. I'm also planning on running a wire straight through the center of that, and then hooking up my SGC remote tuner over here, so I'll have a vertical and then I'll have the 10 through 160 wire. So anyways, we're gonna whip some stuff up and hopefully we can get this to dry quickly, because I just heard tell tomorrow's cooling off and the rain is coming. 73 87 QT. More videos to come. Well, there it is. Yep, freshly poured, of course, but since I neglected to get a level, I wanted to put it in there and line it up with the house. So from my point of view, looks pretty straight up and down according to that seal, and based on the one that's right there, looks like it's pretty straight up and down there too. Now we just gotta let it set, and I clean up my mess. So there's the next evolution in setting up my 43-foot pole. Alrighty, it's been fun. We'll keep dorking out. More videos to come. 87 QT.